All right, today we're going to install spools. If you follow RevZilla scale on the beard difficulty, this is going to be roughly a 4. So here's a spool. It's got one bolt through the center. The carrier for the rear stand will go in between here, and all you do is bolt that on. Every bike's location is going to be a little bit different, but this bike, they get screwed in right here. There's going to be just one spot to put them in on most bikes.
Need an Allen head wrench. Sometimes they come with them, sometimes not. You just put the Allen head on there, hold it, start the bolt, make sure it doesn't cross thread like that one's doing.
You are going into an aluminum swing arm.
So it is very important not to cross thread it.
Right now he's using a 5mm Allen wrench. This could be a 5, a 6, or an 8, depending on which size spools you have. And that's the entire process for one side. The only thing that you guys might be curious about, if you want this to end in the perfect spot for your perfect dream bike, race bike, show bike, just put it there. Now we're gonna do the other side.
Like he was saying, if you want it to face just the perfect direction, you can just start it wherever you want, and this bolt will spin freely inside the spool. So hold it there, start the bolt.
Never hurts to have a spare hand. Perfect. Now we understand if that's past some people's technical skills abilities. If it is, don't be afraid to take it to your local Harley dealership. They may or may not be able to do a skill that hard.